100 One Rupee coins are divided among 40 children such that each boy gets 1.5 times as each girl gets. Find the number of boys. Now, there are a total of 40 children. Some are boys and some are girls. Now, each girl is getting, let's assume, X coins. Here it is given that each boy gets 1.5 times as each girl. So if we are assuming each girl is getting X coins, each boy will be getting 1.5x coins. Now, this question needs to be solved by options. So let's take the first option. So find the number of boys. So if the boys are 30, as the total children are 40, girls will be 10. So the total amount given to girls will be 10x and total amount given to boys will be 45x. So the total amount will be 55x. But the total amount is 100 rupees. So from this, we get x is equal to 100 upon 55, which is not an integer. Now this value of x needs to be an integer because we have assumed x as the number of coins given to one girl. So number of coins should always be an integer. So therefore we can eliminate option A. Let's check option B. So now there are 10 boys. So therefore 10 boys are there. So the total amount given to boys will be 15x. Now 10 boys are there. Therefore the girls will be 30. And therefore the total amount given to girls will be 30x. So the total amount distributed is 45x. So 45x equal to 100. So x comes out as 100 upon 45, which is again not an integer. So option B is also eliminated. Let's check option D. If the boys are 25, the girls will be 15. So the amount with the girls will become 15x and the amount with boys becomes 25 into 1.5, that is 37.5. So 37.5 plus 15, that is 52.5, will be over here. Again, you can see that 52.5x equal to 100, that means x equal to 100 upon 52.5, which is again not an integer. So answer option D is also eliminated. So obviously by elimination, correct answer is option C, but we'll just verify it. Number of boys is 20, number of girls therefore is also 20. So 20x is the amount given to girls and 20 into 1.5, that is 30x is the amount given to boys. So total amount becomes 50x. So 50x equal to 100, that is x equal to 100 upon 50, which is equal to an integer, that is 2. So therefore, we can say that the answer is option C.